What is the First Home Scheme? This scheme will bridge the gap between your deposit, your mortgage, and the price of the new home you are buying. How will it work? Take a couple with an income of €70,000 who want to buy a €320,000 home. After putting up your 10% deposit, the most they can borrow is €277,000. This leaves a gap of €43,000. The First Home Scheme will provide this amount as equity. It will be available to first-time buyers, people who are separated or divorced, or whose relationship has ended, or who have undergone insolvency proceedings, who want to buy a home newly built in a private development anywhere in the country. Help to Buy also applies here. This couple could also benefit from the Help to Buy scheme, which provides tax relief of up to 20% of the property's value. So in this case, up to €30,000 of the deposit could be from Help to Buy. €400 million is being invested in this scheme by the government. This will fund the purchase of 8,000 homes over 4 years. All details, including an eligibility calculator, will be on the First Home website, firsthomesscheme.ie. Applications open in July 2022.